Very good evening once again to
Good evening.
all the teachers, principals who are
Volume, volume.
present here for today's workshop.
Coffee.
I welcome our guest
Don't be stupid.
for today,
Amma, I have a meeting, ma.
Mrs. Padmeshwari, principal of Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya, Srinagar. So, Madam is well known to all the teachers of our school. She was our guest during our recent Bal Pradarshini, the project exhibition, and so patiently she was listening to every student presentation and appreciated all the teachers for their hard work. Madam, we are very much delighted to have you as our guest for today. Madam is the founder principal of Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya, and the institution is 11 years old. Today, along with her, her teachers also have joined us. So we welcome the teachers who have joined us from the institutions Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya, CDS DAV Public School, Jagannath Vidyalaya, Pon Vidyashram, and so do we have nearly 6 schools participating with us today, along with our teachers. Also, we find from Janus Global School, we have a participant, a teacher with us. Good Shepherd School, Karaikal, also have marked their participation here. So I welcome everybody wholeheartedly and thank you so much for sparing your time to witness what our teachers are going to present today. So this actually the objective behind this PVM Learning Circle is to encourage teachers to become trainers. As you know, sharpening the saw is very important and training needs to be done in a continuous manner, be it for a school or any other organization or a company. And we might get the trainers, resource persons from outside the schools. And it is also very important that every school has a set of core resource persons who can keep up this training loop and we can place it in our calendar systematically and take it through. So, with that idea, we started this initiative for 8 weeks. Every week, 3 teachers are given opportunities to present their module. They are free to choose their titles, and if any support is required, we also help them. That way, we have completed 3 weeks and we are in the fourth week now. So, today we have with us 3 teachers, one principal, and 2 teachers. The principal of our matriculation school, Ms. Sri Devi, is here to present. Also, we have Ms. Vishnu Priya, who is the team lead of standard 1 and 2, and Kavita, who is the team lead for the middle school. And these 3 will be the resource persons for today. So, without much delay, I once again welcome all of you. I can find actually now just a few seconds back, Mr. Shivakumar Bellan has joined from Krishnagiri. He is the principal of Cambridge Public School. And I see Ms. Joy Thomas also, who is the principal of Good Shepherd Standard School, Karaikal. My special welcome to all of them. And always Nidhi is there with us. This fourth week she has joined. Ma'am, she was very happy to see you as the guest. So she was telling me proudly that this is my principal.
Oh, Nidhi Shajil. Namaste,
So
namaste.
I told her like.
I am proud of you, Nidhi.
Yes, ma'am. I told her you were also sharing some good things about her. I was telling her she is also here with us today. So without much delay, we will proceed with the prayer and followed by the presentation. I call upon the first speaker of today, Ms. Sridevi, Principal of Rasam Vidya Balamandir, on the title Teacher, the Influencer, Transformer and Creator.
Respected Senior Principal, today's guest Mrs. Padmeshwari Ma'am, principals and teachers of various invited schools, and my dear PVM teacher, Namaste one and all. With immense pleasure and joy, let me start my presentation with you all. My topic is Teacher, the Influencer, Transformer and Creator. Since we are all teachers, I think today's session is going to be a self-reflection session for all of us. So next 30 minutes, I want all the participants to be actively interact with us so that I can derive the content of my presentation from your answer. So you are going to be active as a teacher as well as student. So let's get ready for the session. This is my agenda today. So I'm going to deal with this all content. If I ask, which phase of life would you like to revisit or rewind? Most of us would say our school days, because school days are fun-filled days, which we were all introduced into a new world of teaching, learning, caring and playing. No one can forget our school life. Do you all agree? Just to see the next image in the slide. Can you connect that image with the teacher and the student role? Can I get the response in the chat box, please? Teachers, can you just connect the message? What is there in the picture? You can see a ladder and the children, lamp and the matchstick. Can you make a link with the teacher and student? Yes, it's about teacher and students. Teacher always stays at one place as ladder, but she helps her children to move towards their future. She is as important as matchstick to bring the brightness in students' life. Now, let us go back to our school days. Now you have to act as a students and you have to answer the questions which I am asking now. Just type in your chat box, recall your school days. Who's a favorite teacher of your school days? Can I get some volunteers to answer for this in the chat box? Just recall your school days. Type your favorite teacher name. Good. Thank you. Now, please add one adjective. Add an adjective in front of your teacher name, which describes our unique feature. What is her speciality? Why did you get inspired? Just add smart teacher, very good. Friendly, beautiful. Friendly teacher, soft and humble. It's a lot of motivating teachers. Yes, thank you all. So with this, I could notice that the quality and the character of the person who made you all get inspired with the person. So I know that teacher is a person who triggers out the bud to bloom into a beautiful flower. Let's see the slide. Next slide. Mother's love and affection is pure and unconditional. Do you all agree? Mother's love is pure and unconditional. What about teachers? Is it same as mother's love? Yes, it is same as mother's love because mother is a second teacher at home and teacher is a second mother at school. They both cater the needs of the children with love and care without any expectation. This we could see very well in our kindergarten wing when the parents hand over our kids in the hands of our teachers. Now, this is a question for science teachers. Science teachers, be ready. Please see the slide. I'm going to ask from that only. So you would have come across the word catalyst. Can I get the meaning of catalyst? What is the role of catalyst in chemical reaction? Is there any science teacher? Can you please answer? What is the role of catalyst in the chemical reaction? Helping agent. Triggers out for some chemical reaction. Yes, teachers will act as a catalyst in children's life. They may not play a major role, but their presence is so important. At one special moment, they will make the change in their students' life. How can we, the teachers, influence our children? These are the ways the teachers can influence the children's mind and the children's life. The way we influence them can never be erased. Let me explain in detail. Now it is a time for us to again go back to our school memory. As I asked you priorly, the favorite teacher or the inspiration teacher, those who are willing, you can just unmute your mic and you can answer for my question. What is the special mannerism of your favorite teacher which you got inspired? Those who are willing, please you can answer. The character or the special mannerism where your favorite teacher you got inspired. Can I get your volunteers to answer? Any participants, please?
Yes, ma'am. My teacher
Yeah.
always motivate me and always she asks me to.
Hello? Even others can put your response in chat box. The mannerism, special mannerism of your favorite teacher. Smile. Kind. Love and care. Style. Very good. I got all the points. Now, let me come back to the session. That's great. So, my dear teachers, the way we talk, the way we walk, the way we act, everything will influence our children. Even our dressing, our body gestures may influence our children's mind. Next slide. Please read the slide. And whatever your answer, please put it in chat box. Who is the most influencing person in students' life? Principal, class teacher, subject teachers, others. Class teacher, B, class teacher, class teachers. Most of the answers are class teachers. Subject teachers. Class teachers, subject teachers. Okay, thank you. I would say it is not only the principal, not only the class teacher, or not only the subject teacher, even the scholastic teachers can be the influencing person in student life. How? Let me tell you. See this slide, just read that message and relate with you as a teacher and children. It doesn't matter if the glass is half empty or half full. Be grateful that you have a glass and there is something in it. This picture will give you an idea how we, the teachers, receive the children. The teacher receives the varied group of children who are different in their intelligence, who are different in their skills, talents, and their lifestyle. But teacher will always see the child level, what is in that child. With that, what best can be done to the child. I think I have given a correlation with that image. That is why I said, even a silent art teacher, energetic PT teacher, elegant dance teacher, or even a calm yoga teacher, and the substitute teacher also can make a change in children's life. If they identify the talent and what is the need of the child to fulfill and complete their life. How could we influence them? By giving a small attention to them. Because for students, teachers' attention is a blessing. Let's again come back to our classroom scenario of a present class. Now you're all going to answer as a teacher. So which group of students usually we will focus our attention in the classroom? So volunteers can unmute yourself and speak. If you go to our class, usually our attention towards which group of children? Those who are willing to answer, please unmute your mic and say. As you enter in a classroom, slow learners, naughty
Notorious.
students. Yes?
Notorious children.
Notorious, hyperactive, weaker children. Thank you, teachers. In common, our attention would be to the children who are all good at academics, seated in the front benches, or the children who are notorious or disturbing the class very often, who are all seated at the last benches. But let me tell you, there are some children who are seated in the middle bench, who are average in their academics, but actually really looking for our attention. Is it true? Will you agree with that point? There are some middle class bench children who are average in their studies, but they are actually fond of our attention. Yes, for a teacher, it is not necessary to spend a lot of time with our kids. Just a moment is enough to make the change in their life. Oh, just follow this magic letter I. The mantra of I. Every teacher should give an empathetic feel to the children and follows this mantra that I notice you in person. I respect you in person. I care for you. I see the thing the way you see the thing and I agree your point and I believe you. And finally, we should give a feel that I am there for you. If you are doing these things in a classroom, then this I becomes the golden key for all children. They'll feel comfortable and come near to us and they can start trusting us. This is how the teacher is influencing the children at one point in their life. So this is the first stage of my presentation, teacher, how the teacher can be the influencing person. Let me go back to the second stage, transformers stage. Please read the slide. Teachers are sculptors. Do you all agree with this statement? Yes. Let me tell a story, how the teacher is going to be a transformer. So you're all ready to hear the story? Yes. So once upon a time, there was a king. He called all his cabinet minister and asked them, hey ministers, can you tell me which profession is instrumental for our kingdom? to be what even it is today. Immediately, the Minister of Architects said, of course, it is engineers, because they built the entire nation infrastructure. Without them, there won't be any fort, there won't be any palace. Without them, nothing exists in our country. They are the most contributing person to the kingdom what is now at. The king said, then spot the best engineer from your profession. Bring him. I want to award him. Immediately the health minister raised up. No, I think it is doctor, because if doctor was not there, you wouldn't have born him. It is the doctor who keeps even engineers and all well. The king replied the same to the minister, and he asked to spot out the best doctor. And in between, again, the different minister raised up and said, no, I think it is soldiers, my lord. Then he said, okay, you bring, because he is the one who safeguard the entire nation. So you bring the best soldier from your profession. The finance minister also said it is a business community. Without money, nothing will work out in the country. So it is a business profession is the best. The king replied the same. Spot out the best businessman and bring him. Like that, every minister were informed, and the king was informed to spot the best person from all professions. All of them aligned there inside the court one fine day. The king turned towards the prime minister and asked, what should I do now? The prime minister said, I know finally you will come to me and you'll get confused and you need my help. Please wait, he said. The PM left the court. A little late, the PM walked back to the court with an old lady. By seeing the old lady, the engineer got up, the soldier got up, the doctor got up, everyone in the court got up. By seeing that, the king also got up. Then after that, he stood up only, he realized that king did not stand at all. And at a moment, he cannot resist. Immediately, he asked to the PM, who's that lady whose presence all of them are standing? The PM said, she is the one teacher who taught all of us. We can go through our life without seeing a doctor, engineer, lawyer, and so many people. But we cannot go through our life without facing a teacher. Because even the teachers are created and shaped by teacher. It is the teacher who transforms an ordinary student to an extraordinary student in life. So this is how the teacher is transforming the child from one stage to another stage. Let's come back to the last part of my presentation, teacher, the creator. Every teacher is a creator. It could reflect in her teaching style, how creative she is in the teaching learning process. Every passionate teacher creates a beautiful spark in the hearts of children. She always finds the ways to give the best to the children, whether she is young or old, whether she is highly qualified or not, whether she is skilled or not, having resources in hand or not, doesn't matter. She struggles hard with sincere dedication and find out the ways to reach the children. The current pandemic situation is the best example for this. We are all now real online warriors. Few months before, we were not about this. We were not aware of this virtual learning. But the situation forced us to use, learn, and now we are presenting the session through online. This is the best example. We, the teachers, are online warriors. Here comes a video for you all to show how the teacher could be a passionate teacher as a creator with the source what she has in his hand. So the teacher, the creator, because God created teachers to make the difference in the world. Now I'd like to play a song for you. It's a tribute for all our teachers.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.
Hope you all like that song. Yes, my dear friends, we all entered this noble profession, whether by choice or chance. Doesn't matter. Keep inspiring the children, keep transforming the children, and be the creators of your children's life forever. Thank you very much. With this, I'll finish off my presentation. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Sridevi, for that crisp presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Padmeshwari ma'am, would you like to speak now a
Yeah,
few words
definitely.
about this?
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
Yes, ma'am.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the senior principal Lakshmi Prabha madam and the management and your team for the wonderful opportunity you have given me to learn from you. I have been a great admirer of your good self because you have your own ways of doing things. Whether it is your administration of your school or as a CBSE resource person, I'm a big fan of yours. When you ask me, who will say no? Immediately I accepted because it is a learning for me. So once again, let me extend my earnest gratitude for inviting me. And of course, Mrs. Sridevi, the principal of your matriculation school, though I'm already familiar, today I am fortunate enough to listen to her, the wonderful presentation. Kudos to Mrs. Lakshmi Prabha and Sridevi ma'am, because how you train your people is very much visible. And Mrs. Sridevi, you have done a wonderful job through your presentation. You have covered like influencer, transformer, and creator. Like you have covered the most important and significant points about the teachers, how the teacher influences, and how she can be a transformer and a creator. See, yeah, I just like the statement you made, like it is not only your principal, not only your subject teacher, even a music teacher, even a craft teacher, even a yoga master, how they can also true, 100% true. It is not that only the principal. In fact, more than the principal, the children are more with the teachers, I feel. Though we are like something behind the screen, we administer. Okay. So like there are several things I have noted, like as a progressive teacher, you have said you have tried to say the similarities between mother and teacher, how the mother through her unconditional love and purity of heart, how she remains for everyone in the heart. The same way with the teachers. See, teacher plays a significant role here. And again, you said about the reactant and catalyst. Catalyst is a term, how significant a catalyst in a titration or wherever it is, the chemistry students will know. Okay. And again, the significant signs of progressive teacher as an influencer and transformer and a creator you have covered. And as I told you, the most admired feeling I had, I was only thinking about my own PT teachers who motivated us to play, because I never used to play sometimes, sitting in a corner during the PT period. Personally, she used to come and tell, though now I am 55 or 56, nowadays I am doing little bit of to reduce myself. Okay. And the mantra, I am observing you, I am watching you, I am ready to help you. That mantra is really very, very valuable. And definitely, you also said about the story of Sadhu Vaswani. The teachers are sculptors. And again, the story which ultimately said more than the king, more than the ministers, more than the warriors, it is the teacher. I only recalled Adiyaman Avayku Nellikari Kodutharlaya. Immediately when you were saying, that came to my mind. Who has to live long? It is not the king, it is not the warrior, it is not the ministers, it is a teacher. It is her poetries which should live. So she should live long. And Avayar gives it to Adiyaman, he gives back to her. So I was recalling. And your video about the passionate teacher was excellent. And the song was absolutely a tribute to all the teachers who have made difference in their lives and their students' life. Absolutely, it was a very wonderful presentation, Mrs. Sridevi. Really kudos to you. And for taking to prepare this presentation. And not only that, I'm sure that all of us, those who are attending here, we really enjoyed. I'm talking on the behalf of all, because I know all the teachers, we more or less have the same qualities and same kind of vibrations. That is why we are here with you today. Once again, I thank the management for the opportunity and Mrs. Sridevi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all, dear teachers. Thank you very much for your feedback. Thank you, one and all.